Good day, ma'am. My name is Kage Pilasano. I will discuss the Philippine Prisons Bureau of Corrections. We have the 7 correctional facilities located all over the country. First, New Bilibid Prison from Muntinlupa City. Second, Correctional Institution for Women from Mandaluyong City. Third is the Iwahig Prison and Penal Farm from Puerto Princesa City, Palawan. Fourth is the Davao Prison and Penal Farm from Davao del Norte. Fifth, Sablayan Prison and Penal Farm from Occidental Mindoro. Sixth, San Ramon Prison and Penal Farm from Zamboanga City. Seventh, Leyte Regional Prison from Aboyog, Leyte. First, San Ramon Prison and Penal Farm. Established on August 21, 1869 in Zamboanga City during the time of Governor General Ramon Blanco for the confinement of political offender. Kanay ko nung presuhan, ma'am, is mauna siya ang mga soda ni ma'am is katong mga politiko bitaw, ma'am, nga nakasala or nasakpan ng mga big dealer bitaw, ma'am, ari di sila dria panahon pa ni Governor General Ramon Blanco. Second, Iwahig Prison and Penal Farm, established on November 16, 1904 through the authority of Governor Luke Wright. Inmates who are well behaved and declared tractable were assigned to this colony, also known as prisons without wall. The colony is divided into 4 sub-colonies, namely: first, St. Lucia sub-colony, Inagawan sub-colony, Montebol sub-colony, Central sub-colony. Anong nasabtan ni Iwahig Prison and Penal Farm, ma'am, is kanang siya ko nga presuhan, ma'am, is kanang mga buutan kuno ni tribita, ma'am. Ang nadring nakabutang is also known as prison without walls. Kanang mga buutan siya or mga hapit na sila makalaya bitaw, ma'am. Gamay ra kay ilang mga sentensya. Ano siya. Third, Correctional Institution for Women. In 1931, the Correctional Institution for Women was established on an 18-hectare piece of land in Mandaluyong, Rizal by authority of Act 3779. Kanay siya nga, ma'am, Correctional Institution for Women. Kanay siya kulungan is para na siya sa mga badge bitaw, ma'am, na bawal ang laki kay dili man pwede, ma'am, nga magsago lang badge o laki, ma'am. Ano siya, ma'am, kabot na sa tanaho. Fourth, Davao Prison and Penal Farm. Kanay ko siya, ma'am, makita na to dito sa picture. Kanay siya nga prisuhan ko, no, ma'am, is ang mga napriso diri, ma'am, is na freedom nga mananom. Freedom nga mananom kanang tungod sa kadako sa ilang kuan is pwede sila mo tanog mga gulay para rapod sa ilaha bitaw, ma'am. Located din siya sa Davao Prison and Penal Farm. Fifth, New Bilibid Prison, established in Muntinlupa by virtue of Conway Act No. 167 on November 15, 1940. The 3 securities camps are maximum, medium, minimum security compound. New Bilibid Prison, the Bukang Liwayway camp, is housed the minimum security prisons. The Sampaguita camp is located in Reception and Diagnostics Central and houses the medium security. Kani si ma'am nga aprisuhan kining niya ang tawag karon is anyo bilibid prisons. Kani si mga prison is ang kanang nasa dyan bitaw ma'am sa sentro sa isa ka syudad bitaw ma'am nga na nakapalibot nga mga bay nga dili ingon nga guardado sila bitaw ma'am nga mga priso. Siya makikita man ito sa picture. Umor po yung nasabtan na ma'am. 6. Sablayan Prison and Penal Farm, established on September 26, 1954 by virtue of Presidential Proclamation No. 72. The penal colony has a total land area of approximately 16,190 hectares. 3 sub-colonies are protected rainforest reservation, coastal area, and relocation site. So kanay kuno si ma'am is dako kuno siya nga prisuhan ma'am. Dako na siya nga prisuhan. Ang mga preso is makabuhat gyapon sa sulod bitaw ang kanang ilang kalingawan. Ang nakabutang diri is 16,190 hectares man ma'am. Naagay po sila if kuan rin mga mananom sila na 7. Leyte Regional Prison, established a year after the declaration of martial law in 1972. The prison admits convicted offenders from Region 5 and from the National Penitentiary. Sa nakita nga picture ma'am is tungod sa ilang kadugay diri ma'am sa ilang prisuhan, nakabuhat na sila og mga swimming pool bitaw ma'am nang mura na og panghabang buhay nila nga diri sa prisuhan. Diri na tanan bitaw diya na diri tanan gadasok ang mga gipang priso kani sila tanan. Mandate the Bucor shall be in charge of safekeeping and instituting reformation programs to National PDL, sentenced to more than 3 years. Ang mandate ng ma'am is mao ni ang kanang ang trabaho ni as mag-assist sa mga priso bitaw ma'am. Sa mission to contribute to the protection of the security by ensuring that the PDL confirmed at Bucor are completely incapacitated from further committing criminal acts through instituting effective safekeeping and by engaging in different reformation program to become a proactive and law-abiding member of society upon release. Function to extend exemplary public service. Bucor commits to implement effective and strong security measure for all confined PDL. Ang function kami is to extend public service. Ang nag-service, ang trabaho sa ilan niyo is mag-service sila sa mga PDL bitaw ma'am, mag-assist na sila bali sila may magbantay bitaw ma'am. Mo ni ang mga organization of the Bucor the Philippines. Mo ang mga na-assign director, deputy director, administration, security and operation, and reformation. Small lang mga ranggo. Rank classification, position, rank, Director General. Sila ma'am. And then, operating prisons and penal farm. Mauma na sila ma'am. Katong 7 nga persuhan. Let's proceed to admission and confinement of PDL. Reception and diagnostic center. Every newly committing PDL shall be mandatory housed at the RDC for not more than 60 years or 60 days, comprising of a 5 days quarantine period and a 55 orientation, diagnostic evaluation, and initial security classification, after which she shall be transferred to his assigned correction facilities. So, ang nasabtan ni ma'am is kung isa ka priso ma'am ibalhinay ma'am, maghuwat pa si Jaog 5 days quarantine